people don't actually know how the invention of the mobile phone came about or who invented it. In today's video, I will tell you the story of the man who invented the mobile phone. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Alexander Graham Bell was born on March 3rd, 1847 in Edinburgh, Scotland, into a family with strong ties to the study of sound and communication. His mother, Eliza Grace Simons Bell, was deaf, which profoundly influenced his interest in vocal communication and the mechanics of speech. Bell's father, Melville Bell, was a renowned phonetician who developed a system of visible speech designed to teach speech to the deaf. These familial influences instilled in Bell a deep curiosity about sound and language from a young age. Bell's education began in Edinburgh, where he attended the Royal High School and later the University of Edinburgh. He was particularly fascinated by the science of sound and speech, which eventually led him to experiment with various devices aimed at transmitting voice. After completing his studies, Bell worked as a teacher for the deaf, using innovative methods to help his students communicate. His work in this field not only honed his understanding of sound, but also reinforced his commitment to improving communication for the hearing impaired. In 1870, seeking better opportunities, Bell emigrated to the United States with his family, settling in Boston, Massachusetts. In the US, he continued his work with the deaf and began to delve deeper into electrical experiments related to sound transmission. During this period, Bell became increasingly interested in the idea of converting sound waves into electrical signals, a concept that would ultimately lead to his groundbreaking invention. Bell's pivotal breakthrough came in 1876 when he developed a device capable of transmitting vocal sounds over wires. He created a liquid transmitter that converted sound vibrations into electrical signals. On March 10, 1876, Bell made history by successfully conducting the first telephone call, famously calling out to his assistant, Thomas Watson, with the words, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." This moment marked the dawn of a new era in communication. Bell's invention was officially patented on March 7, 1876, under U.S. Patent number 174,765. However, the journey was not without challenges. Bell faced intense competition and legal disputes, most notably with Elisha Gray, who filed a patent for a similar device on the same day. The ensuing legal battles over the rights to the invention of the telephone would continue for years, but Bell ultimately emerged as the recognized inventor. In 1877, Bell co-founded the Bell Telephone Company, which laid the groundwork for what would later become AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph Company. This company was instrumental in commercializing the telephone, leading to its widespread adoption. Bell's vision was not just to create a device, but to create a network that would connect people, fundamentally changing how they communicated. Throughout his life, Bell continued to innovate beyond the telephone. He explored various fields, including photophones, devices that transmitted sound on a beam of light, and aeronautics. Additionally, he remained devoted to education for the deaf, establishing schools and advocating for the rights and needs of deaf individuals. His commitment to improving communication for the deaf community remained a significant part of his legacy. Alexander Graham Bell passed away on August 2, 1922 in Baddeck, Nova Scotia, Canada. His contributions to technology and communication were immense, and he is often celebrated as one of the most influential inventors in history. The invention of the telephone revolutionized not only personal communication but also business and society as a whole, laying the foundation for the modern telecommunications industry. Bell's legacy endures, not only through his inventions but also through his advocacy for education and communication access for all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.